And it's politics in India as BJP attacks Rahul vote chori toolkit. BJP claims that made in Myanmar toolkit was used by Rahul Gandhi. BJP asking who is the foreign boss controlling Rahul. Congress, on the other hand, claims software glitch, no foreign link. Congress says Rahul Gandhi's presentation was made in India.
ये कोई पहली बार नहीं है कि राहुल गांधी जी को भारत के बाहर से कोई प्रेरणा मिली हो भारत में भारत की संवैधानिक संस्थाओं पर सवाल और ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट क्रिएट करने के लिए। तो सवाल यह बनता है राहुल गांधी जी से कि क्या दरअसल जो आप ये डायलॉग बोल रहे हैं सेव डेमोक्रेसी, पर ये सेव डेमोक्रेसी नहीं, ये भारत के अंदर इंटरफियर विद आवर डेमोक्रेसी का एजेंडा लेकर किसी फॉरेन हैंड से तो आप गाइडेड नहीं हैं कठपुतली की तरह। सवाल ये बनता है कि डायलॉग तो यहां पर आप दे रहे हैं, पर इसकी स्क्रिप्ट और पटकथा लिख कौन रहा है बाहर से?
Maushami Singh joins me on this story. Maushami, BJP is alleging that Rahul Gandhi used a foreign toolkit, in fact questioning where the foreign influence has come from. What more do we know? What is the Congress saying? What is all this all about?
So clearly, Anisha, this is about the entire PowerPoint presentation that Rahul Gandhi had made. And here the BJP is alleging that the genesis of that PowerPoint presentation was in Myanmar, which has been rebutted by the Congress as an entire misinformation campaign, because the charges and the claims are unsubstantiated, and it's like a PDF sort of known issue error with Adobe that sets wrong dates and incorrect time zones when you create a PowerPoint presentation. So they say that this is completely misleading, as when the PDF is made, the metadata just cherry picks and creates a date and takes a location which could be out of context. So the geolocation is not actually perfectly, correctly stamped, is the Congress is claiming, and saying that they are so perturbed by Rahul Gandhi's vote chori campaign that BJP is trying to create a lot of propaganda against it.
All right, thank you for that, Maushami Singh. Vote chori allegations by the Congress, and BJP now says the entire presentation was on a foreign toolkit. This is a story that will keep continuing as politics continues over the allegations of voter fraud in the country.